This one has two subtracted terms, which means we have to use the least common denominator again. So we take a look and following that pattern that we did before, the least common denominator, we factor each denominator and use the largest quantity of each factor. So we have an x minus 1, we have an x, and we have a 2x. We don't need to double up those x's, but it means that our least common denominator is kind of big this time. It's 2x times x minus 1. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take 2x times x minus 1 times the first part minus 2x times x minus 1 times the second part, and 2x times x minus 1 times the third part of the original equation. So then simplifying x minus 1, x divided by x minus 1 is 1. That leaves me with 2x times 3, 6x. In this case, I have an x divided by x. That leaves me with a 2x plus 1 times 2. So I'm going to change that into a 4, x minus 1. And then here I have a 2x divided by 2x, which is 1, x minus 1 times 5. I'm going to rearrange that so that I can simply distribute. So next step, I'm going to distribute all of those and start cleaning things up. So 6x minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 5x minus 5. I'm going to put together my like terms and use opposite operations to discover that x is equal to 3. Now, backtracking to where I started, remember that x can't be 1 and x couldn't be 0 because I don't want those denominators to be 0. 3 is neither of those, so we're good, but we still need to check it. So when we go through and we check, we discover that 9/6 minus 4/6 truly is 5/6.